you'll need is here. So you'll need some aloe vera juice. Super simple to make. You'll need some tea tree oil, lavender, rosemary, some nettle leaf clay, bentonite, Rhassoul Clay, some turmeric, some rosehip oil, and a few other things. And this is everything you're going to need to make this amazing clay wash for your hair. So I made my nettle leaf tea because she says to add nettle leaf juice or something like that, but I made nettle leaf tea because that's what I had on hand. And I just made a little bit because you don't need a lot. You only need like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Then I made this little funnel out of aluminum foil. So if you have a plastic funnel or a metal funnel, please use it. It will make your life a lot easier depending on the size of your jar. If you're using a mason jar, it'll be easier. I just have this squeeze bottle that I love. So I'm just going to add in my aloe vera juice I made. Super simple. You literally just blend together some aloe vera and water in a blender. And you add some aloe vera juice. So I'm going to add in, I think it's 7-8 tablespoons of aloe vera juice into my bottle. And this is making it so it just goes right down to the bottom. Then I'm going to add in my Rhassoul. I think I'm saying the name of the clay wrong. Rhassoul Clay, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of that. And then I'm going to add in less than a half a tablespoon of the Bentonite Clay. And I'm just going to shake it so the clays can get down in there. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. And then I'm going to add in my nettle leaf tea. You don't need a lot. Add a little bit. Or you can add it all. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to add some rosehip oil. I love this stuff. I use it for my skin, for my natural sunscreen, and I also use it in my hair and my face mask I make. And then I'm going to add in this I don't want to say it wrong, I'm going to just put the name here. Some lavender essential oil, so about 3 or 4 drops of each, or 2. I think I did 2 drops of each of the oils. Some frankincense, this stuff is thebomb.com, and some tea tree oil. And then you're just going to give this a nice shake. Shake, shake, shake. And that's what it should look like. So yeah, I have my clay wash, and I also have to make my conditioner. Fun, So yeah, that's the clay wash. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave comments down below.